Hi, welcome to PUC first year students. Students, today let us study the chapter number 5, that is central tendency or measures of central tendency. Students, today let us study the partition values. Partition value. Already we have studied the meaning of arithmetic mean, median, mode, and its merits and demerits. And number of definitions are studied by us. Today let us study the partition values. The partition values includes the median, quartiles, deciles, and percentiles. So, how the quartiles divides of what types, and how the median divides in the what types, and how many types divides, and deciles are also divides, and what types of divides the deciles, and the percentiles divides and what parts, how many parts it divides. So study today the what do you mean, already you meaning of the median you have studied. The meaning of median. Median is the middlemost element. Median is the middlemost element of data, set of data, already we studied. The median is how many parts the median divides, you have to study. The median, the partition values, the median, quartiles and percentiles and deciles are commonly used in partition values. But today we have to see how median divides. Median divides the data into two equal parts. Median divides the data into two equal parts. Median divides the two equal parts. Median divides the data into two equal parts. How many parts? Median divides the two equal parts. Keep remember, median divides the data into two equal parts. Students, keep remember, median divides the data into two equal parts. How many parts? Two equal parts. Keep remember. And quartiles. Quartiles are the measures divide the data into four equal parts. How many quartiles divides? The quartiles or the measures divides the data into four equal parts. Quartiles are the measures which divides the quartiles into four equal parts. Four equal parts. Four equal parts. There are three equal quartiles. How many quartiles are there? There are three equal quartiles. They are Q1, Q2, Q3. Q1, Q2, Q3. Quartiles are the measures which divides the four equal parts, and there are three quartiles. They are Q1, Q2, Q3. Q1, Q2, Q3. These are the three quartiles, Q1, Q2, Q3. And how to calculation of quartiles? How to calculation of quartiles? You have to calculate the quartiles with the symbol or the formula of Q1. How to Q1 calculation? Q1 is equal to size of into bracket n plus 1 divided by fourth item. Q1 is equal to size of into bracket n plus 1 divided by fourth item. And Q3, how to Q3 calculation of Q3 quartiles? Q3 is equal to size of 3 into bracket n plus 1 divided by nth item. And Q3 or Q2 is equal to median. Q2 is the median. Keep remember it. Keep remember it once again. I remember you. Q2 is equal to median. You once again, you have to study once again. I will repeat it. The quartiles are the measures which divide the data into 4 equal parts. There are 3 quartiles, Q1, Q2, Q3, and the calculation of quartiles. How to calculate the quartiles? The Q1 is equal to size of into bracket n plus 1 divided by 4th item. How to Q3 calculation or Q1 calculation? Calculation of quartiles, Q1 is equal to size of into bracket n plus 1 divided by 4th item. And how to calculate the Q3? Q3 is equal to size of 3 into bracket n plus 1 divided by nth item. And Q2 is equal to median. Q2 is equal to median. Which is median among Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4? Which is median is Q2. These the quartiles and medians are helpful in choosing the correct answer and filling the gap and give the answer for 1 marks. These are very important questions in the chapter of 5, that is the measures of central tendency. You have to keep remember all the questions are very necessary, very important questions are there. You have to keep remember. And what deciles equal parts? Deciles are the measures or deciles are the measures which divides the data into 10 equal parts. How deciles divides the data into how many types? How many parts? 10. How many parts? 10. The deciles are the measures which divide the data into 10 equal parts. Keep remember, deciles are the measures which divides the data into 10 equal parts. How many parts? 10 equal parts. There are 9 deciles or 9 deciles. They are D1, D2, D3, dash, 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 D99. D9. Sorry. There are 9 deciles. D1, D2, dash, dash, D9. D9 means D9, or there are 9 deciles up to D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8, D9. And percentiles. Percentiles are the measures which divides the data into 100 equal parts. Percentiles are the measures which divides the data into 100 equal parts. How many parts? 100 equal parts. There are 99 percentiles. There are 99 percentiles. How many percentiles? There are 99 percentiles. They are P1, P2, P3, P4, dash, 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 P99. How many percentiles are there? P99 up to P1 to P99. They are percentiles. There are 99 percentiles. P1, P2, P3, dash, 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 P99. These are the percentiles. Students, the question will be, how many quartiles are divides? The quartiles are the measures which divide the data into 4 equal parts. And there are 3 equal quartiles, Q1, Q2, Q3, and calculation of quartiles. Q1 is size of n to bracket n plus 1 divided by 4th item. Q3 calculation, Q3 is equal to size of 3 into bracket n plus 1 upon nth item, and Q2 is equal to median. And results are the measures which divides the data into 10 equal parts. They are 10 equal parts, and there are 9 deciles. They are D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8, D9. And percentiles. The percentiles are the measures which divides the data into 100 equal parts. How many percent divides the parts? The percentiles divides the data into 100 equal parts. And data into 100 equal parts. There are 99 percentiles. P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P5, P6, dash, 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 P99. These are the median, quartiles, deciles, percentiles. Percentiles. These meanings and partitions of value is most important in the chapter. You have to keep remember, don't forget till the examinations, and long time also. This will help to 1 mark questions. These meanings and partitions value is most important. Don't forget it. It will help to calculate all the median, mode, and arithmetic mean. And it helps to choosing the correct answers, filling the blanks, and match the followings, and 1 mark questions, 2 mark questions. It will help to all these things. You have to keep remember. Don't forget. I request to all the students, you have make study hard. The examination is very near, and don't forget to study, and also don't forget to subscribe my channels. So today's period is very important. You have to study hard. Thank you, one and all.